Hello, welcome to Kori's Clubhouse right here on Cambly. I'm Coach Kori, and today is June 6th, 2021. What day is it? June 6th, 2021. But what day is it? Do you know what day it is? Well, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So, what day is it today? What? Sunday? Today is Sunday? You're right. Today is Sunday. So, if today is Sunday, what was yesterday? I wonder, what was yesterday? What? Did you say Saturday? It was Saturday? You're right. Yesterday was Saturday. So let's see. Today is Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. What will tomorrow be? What? Monday? Tomorrow will be Monday? You're right. Tomorrow will be Monday. So today is Sunday, June 6th, 2021. Wow. And it's spring. Where I am, it's spring. We have 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter where I live. And today, I wonder what the weather's like. I'm going to be busy outside today. What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cold? Or is it windy? I wonder, what's the weather like today? It looks like it's sunny and hot. Sunny and hot today. What's the weather like where you are today? Is it cold? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Or is it sunny? Or is it cloudy? What's the weather like where you are? For me, hot and sunny. And today, I'm going to be very busy outside. I'm going to do some digging in my yard. Digging. The letter D says duh, like dig. Going to dig in the yard. Can you think of another word that has the duh sound? Did you think dog? Dog. How about doll? Doll. Did you think of duck? Quack, 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 quack. Duck. D makes the D sound. Well, after I dig in the yard, I'm going to be so hungry. That's a lot of work to dig in the yard. I'm going to be hungry. I think I might have an apple. A makes the sound like apple. Can you think of another word that has the sound? How about alligator? Alligator. What about ant? ant. I don't think that apple will be enough. I'm probably going to have to eat something else. So maybe I'll have a banana. The B makes the b sound, like in banana. Yummy banana. Can you think of another word that has the b sound? Like in b sound? Like in banana? Bzz. What makes that sound? Bzz. B. B makes the bzz sound, and it has the b like the letter B. How about bat? Bat. Or I bet you thought of this one. Ball. 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 So I'll have my apple, and then I'll eat my banana, but I think I might still be hungry. So I'll have an egg. The E makes the sound, like an egg. Ooh, I probably should have taken off the shell. Can you think of another word that has the S sound that the E makes? Ooh, did you think of elephant? Elephant. Elephant. Great job. Wow. After I eat, I think I'll be fine and I won't be very hungry anymore. Maybe, though, I'll play with my cat. The C makes the k sound, like cat. Can you think of another word that has the k sound? Cow? Yes! Cow makes the k sound. What about cake? Yummy. Cake. Ooh, how about cookie? Cookie has the k sound. I like cookies. Do you like cookies? That has the k sound. So today we learned all about the a sound, the b sound, the k sound, the d sound, and the e sound. Oh, I'm so exhausted. Are you tired? Oh, I think I need a nap. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.